we are here at Ducat School of AI and we are inside the lab where students are working on real projects based on cloud computing. Here at Ducat, we go beyond theory where students learn industry-oriented projects and many more real-world experience. So to understand today's project better, let's hear from the trainer himself what he has to say about the project. Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, sir, can you tell me like what this project is all about and what today our students are learning and how is this project so industry relevant today?
In this project, we are deploying three-tier Java web application, and it separates the application into three layers. First layer is the application layer, and second is a presentation, and last is the DB layer. In application layer, we are using ThemeLeaf, and ThemeLeaf is used to design the template of the Java web application. And second layer is the application layer, and for the application layer, we are using here Spring Boot, and Spring Boot is a backend tool through which we can process the data which comes from the user side and forward to the DB, and we fetch the data from the DB and then forward to the user.
Thank you so much, sir. That was really insightful of you to say about the project. I'm really excited to see how students are learning here and what they are performing today. What's your good name?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Taranpreet Kaur.
Hi, Karanpreet. What is the architecture of this e-commerce website? And can you tell me like what service are you using in the AWS?
So, this is an e-commerce website which is developed in Java, and it's a three-tier web application which is involving the parts like front-end, back-end, and database. So, for the front-end part, we have used ThemeLeaf framework, and for the back-end, we have used Spring Boot with Maven, and for the database part, we have used MySQL database. About the services that we have used in this project includes AWS EC2. We have used that service for web hosting. We have used our own VPC, which is used for creating isolated network, and we have also used IAM role for making sure our application is secure while we're accessing AWS resources, and load balancer for the incoming traffic.
I'm really curious to ask one more question from the student sitting here. What's your good name?
My name is Aman.
Hi, Aman. So, Aman, tell me, why do we need a security group if we already have a network ACL?
Okay, so basically, security group and NACL both act as a firewall, and the basic purpose of both of them is to secure the network. So, why two? Because it enhances the security of our website, and whenever a hacker try to infiltrate our network, then there are two layer of protection. In general scenarios in industries, we generally use both of them, so that's why in project we are using the same scenario, we are using both of them. And the management is slightly different. NACL works on VPC and the security group works on instances. So the NACL management is little bit tricky and difficult, so that's why we are using both of them. The instance level security is managed by security group and the VPC level security is managed by the NACL. And if we go in the the real world scenario, so whenever you enter a office, there are first level of security, which is your reception. The NACL act as the reception of the network where you authenticate yourself and then you go beyond. And after that, when you go to your office, then there is another level of security, that is the security group.
Wow, that was fantastic. Thank you so much for your answer. What's your good name?
Soniram.
Hi, Soniram. आप मुझे ये बताओ, why do we create an EC2 instance instead of our own servers?
हम अपना सर्वर इस्टेब्लिश करते हैं तो ये हमारा काफ़ी कॉस्टली होगा। इसमें हमें अपनी मशीनें इस्टेब्लिश करनी होंगी और सारा का सारा सिस्टम इस्टेब्लिश करना होगा। वाइल हमारा जो EC2 हम क्रिएट करते हैं ये कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू हमारे प्रोजेक्ट रिक्वायरमेंट के। इसका हम साइज डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं और इसका ब्लिंक साइकिल भी हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं।
Thank you so much. That was good. Thank you. So today we saw how students are really enthusiastic and really excited about doing the project and they are learning so much here. So we saw that how practical experience can make you aware of lot of things, right? Not only theoretical knowledge. So at Ducat, we do all this stuff. I'm your host Ananya and I will see you in the next project class. Thank you.